Stop by and take a look at the 2018 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power tailgate, keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.